Ever wondered why proper planning and documentation is so crucial in the world of microservices architecture? Just as a film director wouldn't start shooting without a script, a software developer wouldn't dive into coding without a solid microservices architecture design doc. This is your blueprint, your guide, your compass in the complex landscape of microservices development. So, how does one go about writing such a document? Follow these clear, easy-to-follow steps. First and foremost, understand the purpose of your design doc. It's not just a technical roadmap, but a communication tool that outlines your vision, goals, and the benefits of adopting a microservices architecture. It's the beacon that keeps the entire development team aligned and informed. Next, define the project context. Clearly articulate the problem being solved, the business objectives, and why a microservices architecture is the best fit. This gives all team members a clear understanding of the project's direction and its importance. Now, identify your key microservices. Break down the system into bite-sized, manageable pieces, each with a specific responsibility. This is a pivotal step, as a well-structured system will make both implementation and ongoing maintenance much smoother. Then, describe how these microservices will interact with each other. Visualize this with flow diagrams or step-by-step descriptions to illustrate the communication process between different components of the system. Moving on, specify the API contracts for each microservice. This includes endpoints, supported methods, and data formats. Remember, clear and well-defined APIs are the lifelines of communication between your microservices. Don't forget to address security. It's a paramount concern in any system. Clearly outline how you'll handle authentication and authorization, key management and security monitoring in your architecture. Consider data management and persistence. Explain how data will be handled, which databases will be used, how synchronization will take place, and how data persistence will be managed. Lastly, explain how you'll tackle scalability and fault tolerance. Your microservices should be prepared to scale horizontally and handle failures effectively to ensure your system's performance is always top-notch. In conclusion, a well-written microservices architecture design doc lays the foundation for a successful project. It brings clarity and promotes effective collaboration, making the journey through the complex world of microservices architecture a whole lot smoother. So here's to successful, well-documented microservices architecture projects.